Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file. They're trying to do vertical text-to-path, and that doesn't look very good. So I did it, and it still doesn't look very good. It looks better than what he had, but to me it's not very good. I don't know that would fly, but all I did is I took your path for the one I'm doing it for, made a new path, kind of, because I robbed the old path off there, but look at the nodes, and that would cause you a lot of trouble. And I'm even going to show you, you can convert this to a curve and you can reverse that subpath. And a lot of times that will help you. Now we got the arrow going the other way. Let's grab the north field text to path and put it on the path. And then right here's the keyword text orientation. And this will put it like that. And now I do not know why, and it's doing it now, but it put the F and the I on the same line. But then you can mirror it both directions. Well, see, I messed up earlier because I put so if you ever have something like that, it just won't work, then you need to reverse this path. Just right click and reverse the path. This should be correct. But I guess since we want the N at top, which is not normal, and I don't even know if this is going to work anyway, but right here you can select this bottom one and then mirror it, and then mirror it again, and then you can take the shape tool and grab this and elongate the text. And I don't know why it's putting those two texts in one letter. Let's try something real quick. Maybe this will make it easier. Let's take this text and let's put a space between each. Let's put a space between each letter. See if that helps. I'm just grasping at straws here, but this might help. So it's still a text. It's still whatever it was, an area a while ago. I might have messed around with the same thing. Then go text to path and put it on here. That might be the key, and then go like this, vertical, and then you could rearrange them, and that's what you get. Now we could still grab the shape tool and, slide them out a little bit, but that to me isn't really readable. We can go to Object, break text apart, and get this new text. So this is going to be larger than our work, but you can see it. It's still not readable to me, because you're starting on the right and moving left. And anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.